Old, but the 8S setup, the same rotor and housing as the 8S.
Oh, okay.
So let's check the satellite, make sure it's on. And it is. So we are prepared for launch. Forgot to check that. Oh, it is. It'll go back. Yeah. It's probably just the thermal going through. Let me go first, then you go.
That's stock?
That's stock.
Damn.
Taxi it out.
You want this thing, John?
Yeah, take it down, please. Well, they work in the morning.
China cleared.
All right, take it off.
Gear up.
Oh, Keon's actually doing it. Everybody's supposed to carry it. Don't crash. That's one thing too. I took the gyro and now I actually have good turning radius.
Yeah, because I don't know why they limit everything.
Well, they limit everything to 75%.
Oh, it's good.
Oh,
Will it last though?
Oh, he balanced it. That's the thing.
I think it might be a little tail heavy.
Yeah, it's not like dipping down.
Yeah, and I think that's just tail heavy.
Time remaining.
That's half throttle for me.
Yeah, you're faster than me, for sure. Just because the 8S is so heavy.
Yeah.
You know which one's...
Sounds good. Keon did good. Lopez!
Oh, shit, dude. Yeah, you're faster. Yeah. Yeah, Keon, I think he's faster. Flying out crazy on that thing.
Yeah.
Keon, that sounds good.
I know, yeah. You're supposed to say thanks.
But just wait till the front wheel pops up.
That's what I'm worried about. Well, it sounds good. He did good.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
All right. I'm right behind you.
Gear down.
He's gonna
9,
go all the way to the end
8,
of that.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Oh, he's
3.
landing
God
too.
damn it. You gotta give a...
Time expired.
Alright, Keon went around.
Oh, come on, guys.
Keon, stay left. Ray's gotta land. Alright, Keon's off to the left.
Shit. I'm okay. Landing! Okay, where's everybody?
Okay. Pete's off to the left at the end. You're gonna roll off.
Okay.
You're good. Land it.
Okay. Why is it ballooning?
Off to the left. Okay. Alright, now.
There's a lot of lift or something. That was freaking weird.
Thermal!
Oh my god, it's a thermal! Taxiing back.
People that aren't out here later in the day don't get the inside joke.
No. Yeah, that's what it is. I just felt it. The thermal came through, seriously. I think my battery's too far back too, because it was ballooning.
Yeah, I saw that. Those China Hobbylands are pretty
They're
light though.
light for their size. That thing cracks me up. I gotta get a video of it taken off. That thing cracks me up. Oh my god, that's hilarious. And it's kind of nose down, so it always takes a long time to get going. Look, it takes a whole run. Oh my god, it's hilarious. The nose is down just that little bit. What the hell? Alright. Alright, well I think I'm ready for the MiG now.